Measuring pH. We said first of all we can measure pH using the universal indicator. Universal indicators are used worldwide to measure the pH. In this figure, we have using universal indicator solution to measure the pH of various solutions. These are the indicators, as we've seen before. They are solutions placed with the main solution to measure its pH. Each indicator gives a specific color indicating whether a solution is an acid or a base. For example, I got a solution and I placed one of the indicators inside it to obtain a yellow color. Let's see what the yellow color represents. pH equals to 5. So the yellow color represents an acid, a weak acid. So these indicators are used with a solution to measure its pH and check whether it's an acid or a base. This picture right here shows the possible colors we might obtain after placing the indicator in a solution. So this is how we measure the pH using universal indicators.